I'll guide you through how to use Chime's Pay Anyone feature to send money to absolutely anyone instantly, even if they don't have a Chime account, without paying any cash-out transfer fees. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Traditional peer-to-peer payment apps force both the sender and the receiver to download the exact same application and build matching profile databases just to move a single dollar. Chime's Pay Anyone feature completely bypasses this obstacle. By utilizing a secure web clearing link, your recipient can pull funds directly into their existing traditional bank account without installing software or registering for an account. While Chime-to-Chime transfers enjoy massive flexibility, non-Chime recipients are capped at a maximum of $5,000 per calendar month. Your personal sending caps are fully dynamic. You must actively audit your profile settings menu and select View Limits to see your specific transactional allowances before executing a payout. Before executing any transactions, you must also ensure the verified legal name on your transaction profile matches your identity documents flawlessly to clear real-time automated data validation gates. Mismatched account metadata will instantly flag the system's anti-fraud security tracking filters, reject the transfer layout completely, and place a temporary safety hold on your digital assets. To begin the transfer, open your Chime mobile app, tap the bottom navigation bar, then tap the Pay tab. Tap Pay at the top and click the search bar. Instead of entering a username handle, type the recipient's exact, valid mobile phone number or email address. Enter the specific dollar amount you want to transfer, add an optional memo note or emoji, and tap Pay. Review the confirmation overview layout carefully because once a non-member claims the funds, it is legally settled and completely irreversible. Hit Confirm to instantly debit your Chime checking account. On the receiving end, the receiver will instantly get an automated SMS text or email containing a secure tracking URL link. They simply click the web link, enter their true full legal name, and input any valid US-issued debit card number to complete the ledger. The fund moves onto their card within minutes, completely free of charge. Alternatively, you can open your pending transaction list layout at any time before they claim it to manually hit cancel and recall the funds instantly. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.